Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to get ready with you, hair and makeup. There's not going to be any rocket science in here. It's a realistic get ready with me. I'm going to show you how I air dry my hair and the minimal styling that I do. This makeup look where I've used the same product on my eyes, cheeks and lips. Pretty monochromatic look, but like I said, it's a realistic get ready with me, and if you're interested in seeing that, then please keep on watching. So I just took a shower, washed my hair, and I wanted to show you what I've been doing lately with my hair. The first thing after I get the towel off, I use this OLAPLEX Bond Smoother. I also use the OLAPLEX number 3 now before I wash my hair. I will put the link of that product. That's amazing. It really saved my hair. One of the reasons why I think my hair is growing so fast is because I don't cut it. I think that a lot of women are cutting their hair very often because they think it's like making their hair grow healthier, which in my mind, like how would the ends make your hair grow healthier? You will always have a healthy root, in my opinion, but then what do I know? I'm not a hairstylist. Anyway, so the thing is that right now on damp hair, I use this Bond Smoother, and they say you should use like a tiny little bit of amount. Come on, I know there's in there something, babe. There we go. Okay, so I use about this amount. I spread it between my palms, and then normally I like put my hair down, but I'm not gonna do that since you're all not gonna see me. Now I spread the product through my hair, and then I also take little hair section and I do this with what's left on my palms. Then I also use the Moroccanoil hair treatment. This is a hair oil. I take about this amount and do the same thing. And I focus this on my ends. This step usually takes me like 3 minutes. I do like to use this brush just to make sure that the products that I've used for my hair, they're evenly distributed. This is I guess you could use any brush. This one is from CHRISTOPHE. It's a French hairstylist. After I brush my hair, I don't dry it lately. I just let it air dry. But I still use the products as if I would be styling it with a hair dryer. I put my hair like this. I do style my hair, but I will show you like right at the end when I'm done with my makeup what I do just for the front piece. Now, let's talk about the makeup. I'm going to go see an apartment. I mean, look, this is what I'm gonna wear. I don't want any heavy makeup. Here's how I create my custom skin tint product. I grab about this much moisturizer, put it in my palm. Okay, and then I use the Power Fabric Concealer from Giorgio Armani. This is a number 4. And let me show you exactly how much I use. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Hopefully you can. I mix it together. I haven't applied moisturizer yet, okay? And then at first it gets super light because I rub it, right? Now I'm gonna grab a mirror and figure out like where I haven't spread it well. Of course, you could use, you could apply your moisturizer and then apply a little bit of concealer to spread it all over. But this step for me, I find that works really well. Okay, now this is what my skin looks like with this mixture that I do myself. I find it very natural. Every time I wear this, Alex tells me that it looks like I'm wearing nothing on my skin. It is slightly lighter than the rest of my face, so I'm going to balance the skin and get it a little bit darker with bronzer. Now I take the same concealer and just focus it under my eyes. I do need a little bit more coverage in there. The same concealer, same color, like I said. Now, in most of the days, I would use this ILIA Color Haze Multi Matte Pigment. This is a product that you can use as your blush, as your eyeshadow, and I just put it on the back of my hand like this, and then with my finger, I get it on the cheeks, like so. I also like to do a quick swipe on the nose. That's pretty much all the color that I need on a daily basis. Now this is a fantastic product, like I said, also on the eyelids, and this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply it on the eyelids. You will love this. I know for sure you will love this product also because it's matte, but not like drying matte. It has a sort of like a natural matte finish, which makes it so beautiful and so perfect for even for like if you have oily skin, or you know, if you're the type of person that has oily eyelids. I think you would love this. So I apply on the eyelids and then I spread it towards the brow bone. Now, powder is one of those products that I personally have to use because my skin gets oily on the T-zone, so it bothers me. I use the MCGRATH powder, the loose powder. There's really not much to set, but the small amount of powder that I use is pretty much around the mouth. If I want this product on my eyelids to last all day long, I will do a quick swipe of this powder on top of it, and this will guarantee that the product will stay in there. The fact that I have it also on the cheeks and a little bit on the brow bone just creates this invisible beautifying makeup look. You know, it's a makeup look that you don't see it, and it's for me. It's not trendy. It's not something that I got it from a magazine. It's literally something that works for me. Eyebrows is something that I do or I don't. Like, I have days when I'm like, oh, whatever, I'll just use clear brow gel and that's it. If I have 2 more minutes, I love to do my eyebrows just because it frames the face, and for me it's very fast to use the brow flick from Glossier. I've never seen a product that is as good as this. If you get it, it will become your holy grail, because this literally is the most natural thing for my eyebrows, at least. This literally was like, what, 30 seconds? This is not something that I do all the time, but to be completely honest with you, I love eyeliner on me. I just love it. I feel like it gives my whole look, like no matter how simple my look is, it just gives a little twist. And my eyeliner is not a complicated one. I'll show you. I use this Better Than Sex almost all the time. This is from Too Faced. I do a thin line and then I look straight, and I pretty much have an idea where I want my little flick to be. And then I perfect it. And usually get it a little bit longer like this. Then I use this mascara. This is the Marc Jacobs At Lashed mascara. And I like this because it makes my eyelashes look very spiky. Now I'll move on with this Urban Decay Naked 2 lip liner. Contouring my lips, it's a must for me. I like to spread the contour like so on the lips, and then I use that same multi-haze pigment from ILIA. This is not sponsored by ILIA. And then I use this product on the lips as well. And now I'm going to add a bronzer, and I'll use this NARS Laguna bronzer. I had a time when all I was using was NARS Laguna bronzer, and then there were new products coming and I kind of forgot about it, and now I'm definitely back to this product. I also like to apply a little bit of bronzer like right here. Kind of frames the face. And this is the whole makeup situation. If I'm gonna have a long day, if I leave the house and I know I'm gonna have a long day, this is what I use to have a makeup set, to have my makeup in place. This will ensure that my makeup will last all day long. All day long. It's amazing how long lasting this thing is. I'm gonna let this dry, but I promise I'm going to show you what I do to my hair. Now we're gonna take care of the hair. This is what my hair looks like about 30 minutes later. This makeup actually takes me much less when I don't need to film it. And instead of drying the whole thing, I literally take just this part of the hair. I use a big round brush like this. I use the Dyson Airwrap just because it's always there. So that's what I'm gonna use today. You could just use your hair dryer. I like to dry this part because it's usually so incredibly flat, and I don't dry it all the way down to the tips, just the root so that it has a little bit of lift. And then I also take the front section of hair. I do this. I usually dry it like inside. Just gives me this little lift right here, and then I have a little bit of volume, but not too much. I don't like a lot of volume on my hair. Like, this is perfect for me. Right now it's at that point where it's not really wet. It's more like, now it's more like cold, you know? It will completely dry in another like half an hour. When I touch it, it's very smooth. I know it doesn't look very smooth because of the color of my ends. And when I go outside in natural daylight, it has a beautiful shine. Like, this hair routine not only helped me save a lot of time, but I think that it also kind of protects my hair because I don't use as much heat as I used to. This whole routine, makeup and hair, it would take me about between 20 and 30 minutes. This is the final look. A realistic look, hair, and makeup for just a regular day. If there are going to be any questions, my top, it's actually from the men's section at Uniqlo. It's a thicker fabric, which I love because you don't see the bra underneath, and this is in size large. I love oversized t-shirts. Even on me, like I'm 5'1". It actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna attach a picture in here so you can see it better. I just thought it's a good deal and wanted to share it with you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section, what is your typical routine? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm sharing a lot of things on my stories, like products and mini tutorials with me or other people. So make sure you follow me in there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! The t-shirt is mine now. Just wanted to make it clear. Babe, did you hear me?
It is mine.
It was yours. No, baby. No. You stay with the red. It's also large. It's a large one. No. You get the red, and I get the white and black. It's more Parisian, this one. Plus, it was the last one. Can I please have my setting mist? What is the setting mist that I use all the day? Every day? I'll give you a kiss later. Now I have lipstick on.